Hi, it's Evelyn. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel today. I truly appreciate it. Today I am bringing to you something a little bit different. I'm going to share with you my 5 top YouTube creators that have inspired me on my YouTube journey. Each of the 5 creators are different in their own style of making videos. I have learned so much from each one of them. I will list each of the YouTubers in the description box down below. I am only going to share with you just a small clip of each of their videos, and then you can go later and watch the video in its entirety. And if you like their channel, go ahead and subscribe to their channel and learn from their channel and grow your own YouTube channel. I am going to count from 5 and up to my top #1 YouTube creator, but all of them are great and I like them for different reasons. So the first one I am going to introduce you to, Roberto Blake. I love his channel. He talks about websites. He talks about how to grow your channel from 100 subscribers to 1,000, from 0 to 1,000, and on and on. He also talks about equipment. He talks about things that small YouTubers shouldn't do. So here is a small clip of Roberto Blake video, and the name of this video is How to Grow Your YouTube Channel. I'm going to show you a small clip from his video, and I want you to take a look at what he has to say.
Number 2. Not getting subscribers. There's a magic formula and secret to getting subscribers that almost no one on YouTube talks about. Are you ready for it? Are you sure? Get more YouTube views and you will get more subscribers. You get more views by making more videos and also by getting them out into the world as much as possible. Subscribers don't generate views. In fact, the YouTube subscriber box is a little broken sometimes, and most of your subscribers don't get notified about your views unless they click that little gear box and say, send me email notifications or send notifications to my phone. That is usually the main way that subscribers know you put out a video, unless you have a schedule. So, subscribers don't generate views. In fact, the YouTube subscriber box is a little broken sometimes, and most of your subscribers don't get notified about your views unless they click that little gear box and say, send me email notifications or send notifications to my phone. That is usually the main way that subscribers know you put out a video, unless you have a schedule. So, subscribers don't generate views. Views generate subscribers. You want subscribers? Get more views. Get more views by promoting your videos, putting them out on Twitter and Facebook in appropriate places, not spamming, and that will help with your channel growth. The more views you get, the better shot you have at getting subscribers, and that means what Casey Neistat said. Just make more videos.
Okay, number 4. Everyone, maybe not everyone, but she is well known over YouTube. She's finally hit over 1 million subscribers, and I absolutely love Lovelyz. I love her channel. She is the mukbang queen here on YouTube, and I love what she brings to her channel. She made a video on how to grow your channel, and she's giving out 8 tips on how to grow your channel, earn income on Google AdSense, and I want to show you a small clip on what she has to say that will help small YouTubers grow their channel.
Do not look at this video without first grabbing you a pen and a pad. If you guys are serious about YouTube and doing YouTube as your, just having YouTube as your career, or maybe having it as a part-time career as you're doing your, secular job, then get you a pen and a pad. If you're not that interested, just keep watching, scroll through, skip through, do whatever. It doesn't matter. But I suggest that you pause this video. I'll wait. Get you a pen and a pad and take notes. Because I'm going to give you 8 tips. That's right, you guys. 8 solid tips to help you with your YouTube channel and for you to see the growth of your channel. And I don't care if you're just a small channel and you just starting out. If you would do this, these steps of what I tell you to do and just do it for 30 days. Do it everything verbatim of what I'm telling you to do. You're going to see growth. I don't care if it's like a big growth, small, you're going to see some growth. So I want you to encourage you guys, get that pen, get that pad, and let's get to writing them notes.
Number three, I really like her. Her name is Pretty Boss TV. She is a classy lady. I love her spirit. I love everything about her. I love what her energy just oozes off on the camera. I enjoy watching her videos, but this particular video, she really gets in and let you know exactly how it is on YouTube. When I watched her video, at that time when I found her video, I was a little discouraged by Google AdSense, hearing larger YouTubers say, oh, you can't make money from Google AdSense. I make most of the bulk of my money from sponsorship. I love what she brings to her channel. She puts it out there. She doesn't bite her tongue about anything. And what I love about this video here, she shares with you how to grow your channel and things to do on your channel to help you if you are a small YouTuber. So here is a clip of what she has to say to small YouTubers.
I have another channel that's less than 2 years old. I currently have 40,000 subscribers on that channel. It's less than 2 years old, just a little over a year old. My largest video on that channel has 3 million views right now, and I have other videos that's in 100,000 views, and at the minimum it's going to be like 5,000-6,000 views on that channel per video I upload. I don't even upload regularly on that channel. I'm bringing that up because I get a lot of money off of that channel alone. Like, that's when you're getting millions of views, that's when you're talking thousands of dollars, 10,000, 20,000. That's when you're talking people that's why it's crazy to me when I see people who have channels and they have 300,000 views per video at least. They might have a couple videos with 1 million views, and they're like, oh, YouTube doesn't pay. And I'm like, these bastards, these lying ass motherfuckers, excuse my language, I had to do it, is lying to y'all. You can make decent money off of a channel even if you don't have 1 million views. Now, I'm telling you from first-hand experience, off of, I would say, when I got to the 2 million mark, that was like more than $10,000. You know what I'm saying? I would say about 15,000 probably, like, all together. I didn't get it at the same time because I didn't get the views all together in 1 month. But over a span, it was probably about, so far, like $15,000 I done got off that video. You see what I'm saying? So I'm just being honest. I'm not even going to put my AdSense revenue up. Even though maybe I should, I'll think about it, but I'm not into showing people my money. I'm just being real with you, unlike these other people. Now, on my Pretty Boss TV channel, if I have a month where I put a video up and I get like 100,000 views, you're looking at like $300, $400, depending on how many ads you put. So if you put an ad at the beginning, which I don't litter none of my videos on none of my channels with ads, even though you can do that. You'll go to a video and people have like 5 goddamn ads. You can't even listen to the video. I don't do that because I hate that myself, so I don't like to do that to my subscribers. But I'll usually put a video, an ad at the beginning, and if I can remember to go edit, I'll put a video at the end, an ad at the end of the video. And if it's a long video, like at least 20 minutes or more, I might put an ad in the middle, maybe, depending on what it is. You know what I'm saying? Depending on how much effort I put in, how much editing went into that video. So, to make a long story short, with the video with the millions of views I'm talking about, I only have 1 advertisement at the beginning on that video. Now, if I had 3 advertisements on that video, you're talking possibly double or triple how much I made off of revenue from that video. My other video where I'm telling you I did 100,000 views, got about $300 or $400 that month. If I put 3 videos on there, I could have probably double that to 600. You see what I'm saying? It just depends on how many ads play through the video. So that's truly how you make revenue off of YouTube.
And number 2, I like what she brings to her channel. In this particular video, she's sharing with you how to get 100K subscribers, or how she got 100K subscribers within a year. She shares with you about your video content, how to improve your content, not to just stick with one particular video on your channel. She teaches you to make a variety, make different videos on your channel. So let me share with you what she has to say to small YouTubers that will help you grow your channel.
One thing. Even the girls who are big in makeup, I guarantee you they started to do other things, like maybe like Get Ready With Me, where they're doing their hair too, or they've done a hair tutorial or fitness routine or something else to gain more of an audience. Because when you do the same thing all the time, it kind of gets boring and it's repetitive. So changing your niche can really help you. So what I did was the back to school videos. Those were like the trends. That's trending right now. So if you're starting out on YouTube, or if you're an OG or whatever and your subscribers are kind of dry or your channel's dry, do back to school videos, back to school hairstyles, makeup, hygiene routines. I'm going to start doing a few of those videos this year, but my mistake was I started to do them like back to back to back, and that's not good all the time, you know, because there's other subscribers that wanted to just see makeup, and then I have subscribers who are whole adults, like they're out of school, but I have a lot of them that are in school, college, and high school. So you know, then I have the teachers that actually like my videos because I show the teacher vlogs. So you have to keep in mind what your niche is, or if you have several types of niches on your channel, then you need to cater to all of them. I mean, at a specific time.
Okay, I have shared with you the 4 YouTube creators that have really inspired me on my YouTube journey. Here is my #1 YouTube creator that I watch this particular video every single day. I take notes from her, I learn from her, and she just recently hit 1 million subscribers, and now she's over 1 million subscribers. Her channel is growing daily. She's a beautiful young lady, a single mom raising her little girl, and her name is, I love her channel, Raven TV, and she, in this particular video, she's sharing with you how she gained 50,000 subscribers in 1 month. And so she, in this video, she will share with you the 5 tips that helped her gain 50,000 subscribers in 1 month. So take a look at this clip.
To grow your channel, meaning how to get more subscribers, how to get more views, and how to just become more successful on YouTube overall. These will work whether you have a small channel that you just started, or whether you've had a channel for a while, you felt like you hit a plateau, you need a boost. These will work for any YouTuber, any type of YouTuber in any community. So a quick little blurb about me in case you guys don't know, just so you know where I'm coming from with these tips. I actually have, like I said, been on YouTube for like 10 years. I'm like kind of an OG when it comes to this, and I have built up a pretty good following. But last year in like 2017, I really felt like I hit a plateau with my channel. My channel had always been consistently, steadily growing. I was really happy with my growth, but then last year it seemed like it slowed down a lot. I was not getting the views that I wanted on most of my videos, and I was not gaining subscribers like I used to. So this year in 2018, I hired my mom as my official momager, and she actually has some background in this. Before she started helping me with my YouTube channel, she actually had her own business helping other business owners with their social media presence and their search engine optimization and different things like that online. So she did actually have some background. So this year, with the help of my mom and the research that she did and the work that I put in and these 5 tips that we discovered that I'm about to share with you guys, this year has been going really well for my channel. I was kind of stuck at about 500,000 subscribers. I finally hit 600,000, and in the month of March alone, I gained 50,000 subscribers, which is over 5 times the amount of subscribers I would usually gain a month. Also, on top of that, my watch time on my videos went up, my views went up, and of course, with all of that means that my income also went up. So the past few months for me this year have been going really, really well, and I wanted to share with you guys what I've been doing. Okay, so now jumping right in, I'm going to start off with tip number 5. Make sure you watch to the end of the video to reach tip number 1, which is our top tip. But tip number 5 is to be...
Okay, I hope you all have enjoyed the 5 creators that I have shared with you today that will help you to grow your channel, improve your channel, increase your revenue, inspire you, and encourage you as a small YouTuber. So this completes this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. I will reply to you. Share this video so that it can help other small YouTubers and even those that are in between trying to grow their channel from maybe 50,000 subscribers to 100K. So thank you so much for tuning in, and you have a great day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.